everyone! For today's video is how to add emojis and stickers to your video. Adding emojis and stickers on video is really fun, and one thing people use emojis and stickers is to express emotion. For this tutorial video, I will use ice cream application. If you don't have the application yet, you can visit icecreamapps.com. Now, to start adding emojis and stickers, first you need to add your files into the media library. So this is the media library here. You can scroll up and down. I already added some files here, so I will use for it as an example. Then you can drag and drop your video file into the timeline. So this is the timeline here. Then drag your file. Now I have the file here in the timeline. To add emojis and stickers to the video, just click stickers. Then click add new to add stickers. You can choose smiles and other. You can scroll up and down. Once you're done choosing your sticker, you can add effect to your sticker. You can choose pulsation, quick, rotation, pendulum, pendulum edge, and bling. After adding effect to your sticker, you can adjust to make it smaller and bigger. Then you can rotate your sticker, and you can position your sticker at the upper right corner, upper left corner, lower left corner, and lower right corner. Next, to adjust the length of your sticker, you can use the yellow slider. You can move it at the beginning, middle, at the end of the video, or you can extend it to the whole video. Next, to add more stickers, click add new, position your sticker, add new. After adding effect, position, and adjusting your sticker, click done. Now I will play the whole video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.